this project, you will need a rain sensor, raindrops module, Arduino board, female-to-female jumper wires, and male-to-female jumper wires. The raindrop module has two output pins, and it is where the water will be placed before being detected. For the rain sensor, it has four output pins which connects to the Arduino on one side. This side has VCC, ground, D0, and A0. On the other side, it has two input pins to connect to the rain module. Connect one pin of the rain sensor to a pin on the raindrops module using the female-to-female jumper wire. Connect the other pin of the rain sensor to one pin of the raindrops module using the female-to-female jumper wires. Connect the VCC pin on the sensor module to the 5V pin on the Arduino using the male-to-female jumper wire. Connect the ground pin on the sensor module to the ground pin on the Arduino using the male-to-female jumper wire. Connect the D0 pin on the sensor module to pin 4 on the Arduino using the male-to-female jumper wire. Connect the A0 pin on the sensor module to the A0 pin on the Arduino using the male-to-female jumper wire. Open the Arduino software and create a new file. Assign variables for pin 4 as pin D and pin A0 as pin A. Assign a value variable to store the analog sensor value. Set up the pin D and pin A as input and activate the serial monitor with 9600 baud rate. Check the sensor value from the digital pin. If it is low, then it indicates that the sensor is wet. If it is high, the sensor is dry. Read the value from the analog pin and store it into a value variable. Print the results on the serial monitor. Connect Arduino to your computer using the USB-A to B cable. Go to Tools, select Ports, and select Arduino. Compile your code by selecting the check button, and if you have any errors, fix them. If your program has no errors, the console window will say that your program has no errors. Upload the code by pressing the Upload button. Under the serial monitor under Tools, check to see if the sensor can detect whether it is wet or dry. Make sure the baud rate is set to 9600 on the bottom right. Place water on the raindrops module and see the serial monitor for the results.